I thought I'd check in today and see how things were going. So let's start off. Where did I leave off on this project? On this project, I think that this. I thought I did the vent. Where's my notes? Let me look at my notes. I know I did the sanitary. Okay, let's see what's going on. What's going on here? So I'm gonna type VV and look at my graphics and filter sanitary. Okay, that's sanitary. That's my sanitary soil. That's what SS is. SS is sanitary soil. You can have SS sanitary soil, or some documents use SW sanitary waste. And the difference between those two is the sanitary waste is coming from your fixtures that don't carry the soil, and the soil is from your toilet, right? So if you just have like from your shower, your lavatories, your sinks, and then if it's from a kitchen, it would be called grease waste, or GW, right? So, or acid waste, AW, if it's from a laboratory that carries acid. So there's different kinds of abbreviations that we use in the industry. So that's why that is plumbing, SS, sanitary soil. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. I think I'm trying to figure out why my sanitary. I know my sanitary's on here. I know my sanitary is on here, and it is there. It's not showing. So let's look. Let's go back. Let's just relax. Let's relax and do this. Let's see. I know that my view range is less than. What's going on here? I know it's not more than -4 in the ground. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm gonna look at my section view and just because, just because, you know. And it's not. I mean, I'm covering that range depth that's greater than whatever that is. What's that? A foot maybe. I know it's not 4. 4 is probably down here somewhere, right? I mean. This is just what goes on, man. You gotta. This is crazy. What's going on here? Let's go back. Let's go back. View range. Okay, I'm looking at. I don't know why I'm doing that. Why, man? Okay, floor. No, I know the floor is not. It's not part of it. And then F, floor. I'm gonna turn it on, so that's gonna make it worse, probably. Let's go back. It has to be. What's going on? I know my plumbing. Yeah. Let's go here. I did check that, right? My plumbing, I don't know why I'm doing this. My plumbing pipes, I'm checking to see if my plumbing pipes, there might be something off, right? So I mean, I'm kind of panicked. I'm in panic mode. Cancel. What else? What else? See, right now, I need to think about this. Section, my pipes are there. I know that that's, it has to be in these filters. Has to be in these filters. I got plumbing, but that's not showing, that should be vent. Oh, here it is. Watch this. Watch this. See? Oh my, what is this? Go back. What is this? Enable filter. Enable filter. What do you mean enable filter? What is that? What is that? What does that mean? Enable filter. It's either on or it's off. I mean, it's either on or it's off. What enable filter? No, okay. Enable filter. Enable, I don't know what that means. No idea what that means. Because to me, it's either on or it's off. So I'm going to turn it on and turn off enable filter. Well, no, then it's not going to show up, right? I mean, according to this dialog box, if I don't enable the filter and well, I mean, it just doesn't make sense, does it? Come on. Filter, enable visibility. Yes. Let's just see. I want to think about this first. Let's think about this. That doesn't make sense. Enable filter is off, but I want the visibility to show. So I'm going to click OK. Exactly. Otherwise, enable filter. Enable filter is on. What is it going to do? Not show it now? I mean, does that make sense? I mean, am I the only one here looking at this and saying, what kind of sense does that make? But something, I need to do something here. Enable filter. Whatever, dude. Whatever. I need to. This is. I don't know. That just doesn't make sense to me. Because I know that I need to have a vent and a sanitary waste. I mean, you can say sanitary waste, sanitary soil. It's kind of understood, you know. You can use either one, and people will know what you mean. It's kind of like when they say the Hunter's curve, you know, it's understood as Hunter's curve. Let me show you. Let's go back. Where's my, look at this. Where's my notes? I want to show y'all something. 368. Let's navigate to 368. 368. Let's go to that and say okay. Okay, now this is what's called a Hunter curves. Well, it's called the Hunter's curve. Hunter's curve, but it should be called Hunter curves because there's two of them. There's two of them, okay? But in the industry, it's called the Hunter's curve, not Hunter curves with an S, okay? So it's there's actually two curves, but it's pronounced the Hunter's curve. Hunter's curve. Okay, what does the Hunter's curve say? Well, I got so many fixture units and I got so many, which if I'm using hot water or cold water, or these are flush valves and flush tanks, hot water, cold water, I got 100 fixture units and I got so many GPM, and then from here you got 70 GPM, and then you go down here to the curve of the chart in order to size your pipe, and you got 70 GPM, and it's going over to this, and it's going to be 2.5 inches pipe, you know, so that kind of language. Let me go back, but yeah, it's called Hunter's curve, but there's 2 curves, but it should be called Hunter curves. Okay, let's do this. Let's go here. So you do sanitary. You can either say, if you say sanitary waste and it's got a toilet connected to it, nobody's gonna say anything on the document, right? Because if let's go to, where am I going? Well, this I'm gonna go back to the filter. I keep going back and forth with stuff. Well, let me do that. Let me. So in the waste, let's go to the waste so I can plot this. What's the second floor? What have I got? First floor? What am I doing on the first floor, man? First floor. Okay, so see, this is, that's sanitary sewer down. But if I said sanitary waste, then it would be okay. And this is from, let's do this and go to, am I editing anything? I'm not editing. I can't edit this. I can edit this. Why can't I edit this? Edit. Hold up. What's going on here? Text, manage. What is this? That's not a tag. That's just a text. That's just a text. Because what I'm looking at is, I know that there are family texts, and there are just text notes. And so what Revit is telling me is that that's just a text note, right? Meaning, I went here, or I can go here. I can go here and put in a text note, right? Here, and then put in a note, right? And this, escape. And that is a text note. But what I was looking for to change that, if I wanted to say sanitary waste, I'm going all over the place today, and that's okay. This is, on the other hand, a family, right? I know that that's going to be a family, I think. No, that's going to be a text note. See? What's going on? No. Yeah, it's a text note. So I'm doing so. This is going to be a text family, okay? Because it's associated with a parameter. It's associated with this parameter, associated with this fixture. And now we can edit that family note. You see, this is a tag. You see the difference? This tag, and this is just a text. You see? Now, there's no family associated with this text. Okay? Now, for me, what I want to do is go here and tag, not tag this 2-inch pipe. Okay, it's a sanitary soil. Now, what if I wanted it to be sanitary waste? Let's do that. Let's go here. I want it to be a free end. And go here, here. Let's just, man. Tag exit in Revit is takes some. Okay, so we know that this is a tag, right? That is what. Let's go back. Let's tag, right? Tag. Okay, tag. Let me choose this pipe and change. So I think it's going to be in abbreviations. Let's see what's going on. This is what I wanted to do. I don't like that it comes up like that. It feels like I'm not controlling it here because I didn't double click, and for some reason Revit gets it in front of what I want to do. So I've chose my tag and I want to edit that family. Spell check is complete. Wonderful. So it says that's the size, right? System and abbreviation, which is my SS. So it's here. Wait a minute. Let's go here, edit label, system abbreviation. Now where is that? Go back. System abbreviation. Nope. I don't want to save. So system abbreviation is if I choose that pipe, and I think that it's going to be in my type of pipe. Routing? Nope. Where's the abbreviation? System abbreviation. It's grayed out. I should be able to control that. System abbreviation is, it must be in my pipe types. Let's go here. Am I going in the right direction? Pipe abbreviations, pipes, here, come on. Systems, piping systems, okay, and that is, I'm sure that is PVC sanitary. Let's click here, PVC, system type PVC sanitary. Okay, let's right click on this guy, type properties. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so we are abbreviations. So I can change this to say, to make a long story short, to make a long story short, or what, that was the long version, right? So I'm going to change the abbreviation to sanitary waste, capitalize and call that sanitary waste, and say okay. Okay, did it update? Nope. So let's go back. Why wouldn't that update? Tag sanitary. Something's not right. Sanitary, did I say okay to that? Maybe. Okay, system, wait a minute. System type is sanitary. This is my system type. I changed the wrong one. I changed the wrong one. I was gonna call myself a name. Okay, so I think I got it now. So piping systems, this is the system that down, where is it? Let's go back. That's the system, sanitary. Otherwise, it would say PVC sanitary. I'm going to change this back. I'm going to change this to SS. Okay. Change that to SS. And go back to sanitary system type, right? Sanitary system type. System type, sanitary, abbreviation, which is piping system, sanitary, right? Yes. Say yes. Just agree with me, even if you don't. So right click, and I think we're on the right path now, man. Change it to sanitary waste and say okay. Yeah, see that? I went through all of that. But I had to. So that's sanitary waste. That would be considered sanitary waste. But you're not going to call this sanitary waste because there's no toilet on this segment of pipe, right? You're just not going to do that. If somebody has a document that's 100% construction documents, and this says sanitary waste, and this part says sanitary sewer, you just can't do it. And you go through all of this, and sanitary, you got these piping systems in here, sanitary sewer and sanitary waste. Maybe if you got an engineer that's that yeah. You got an engineer that's that particular, then man, you might want to catch the next train to Georgia, you know. So, but yeah, I think that, so that's how you can change it. I'm going to change this back now that I know where I'm going. And it's not to Georgia. Not that I have anything to Georgia, but I kind of like my engineer, you know, whoever that is. But if I'm just saying that if there was one. So what was I doing? I was changing my filters. Let's see. I'm having too much fun. And look at this, 22. Man. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop there. And I'm going to stop. So I didn't do what I wanted to do, but that happens, right? So I'm going to stop here, and I will talk to you guys later.